this sailor a couple hundred years ago. He must have been drinking like up in London or something, but he had to be on his ship the next day down in Portsmouth. So he started walking all the way from London down the A3, well, what is now the A3. Road was still similar back then, down to Portsmouth, and he got to around this area here, like Hindhead area. Thought he'd stop for a few drinks. Coincidentally met a couple of other sailors in the pub, bought them a drink, got chatting with them, and he says, yeah, I'll help you lads further on down the line, as they were all going to Portsmouth to get on the ships, and they murdered him around here, took all his clothes and sold him. But they got trialled in Kingston up on Thames, and they ended up being hung, all three of them, here, which was near the scene of the crime, apparently. Whoso sheddeth man's blood by man, shall his blood be shed.
When I'm feeling high, I'm feeling wavy. Like an eagle flies, you can chase me. When I'm feeling high, my heart is racing. Open up the sky, this is amazing. When I'm feeling high, I'm feeling wavy. You open up the skies, come on and save. When I'm feeling high, I'm feeling wavy. You open up the skies, come on and save.
That's it, really. Just something like that, short and sweet. I still forgot the lyrics, so still just making it up a little bit. But, I suppose the inspiration for this, the idea of doing a solo harmonica tune, I guess, is from watching and listening to people like Rory McLeod, Tom Wallbank, and Pegleg Sam. Pegleg Sam used to do all types of cool stuff with it. They used to do these crazy spinny moves with his harmonica where he'd kind of play and be doing like that like as he's playing. Like, it seems impossible to do. I don't know how he does it. I've even tried to slow the video down to try and do what he does, and I don't know how he's doing it. I've tried, and all I can do is like a little pathetic move compared to him. And yeah, I suppose as well, doing the solo harmonica, it's kind of bringing harmonica back to its real roots as well. You know, a lot of those blues guys from, you know, like early 1900s, you know, a lot of the time they would just do solo kind of rags with the harmonica, you know, buskers, traveling musicians, that type of thing. There's a lot of harmonica players that do it nowadays, but I suppose not as many, but yeah.